So let's do this one together. Y squared plus 5y plus 20. So what do we do with this? Just like we've done for the other questions, we're going to write it in the vertex form, of course. The vertex form is a into x plus b, all of it squared, okay, plus c. And of course, a is the coefficient of the first term here, b is the coefficient of the second term, and c is the third one. But we are not going to be bothered with c here. We're just going to put in these values. And how do we get this expression? So recall that what we always do is to rewrite the expression like this: y squared plus 5y plus k minus k plus 20. Yeah, plus 20. So how do we get k? We always use the expression, the equation: b over 2 times square root of a, all of a, raised to the power of 2. Now that's how we get k. And the coefficient of y is b, and that is plus 5. The coefficient of y squared is 1, so I'm going to do 2 multiplied by the square root of 1. It's not necessary that I have to put that plus 5. I just put it just to remind us that if we have negative, we have to include it. So we're going to end up having 5 over 2 all squared, which is 25 over 4. So k is 25 over 4. So let's return that to our expression. We're going to get y squared plus 5y plus 25 over 4 minus 25 over 4 plus 20. Okay, so I'm adding the k and I'm subtracting it at the same time. So I've not done anything to truncate the expression. So to simplify this here, I'm going to convert this to perfect square by taking the square root of the first term and taking the square root of the last term. The square root of y squared, you agree with me, that is y, plus the square root of 25 over 4 is just like returning back to what I have here. So the square root of 25 is 5, the square root of 4 is 2, and everything will have to raise to the power of 2. Then I would have to simplify this. That would be take away 25, add 80, everything over 4. Okay, and that's just fraction manipulation. There is no biggie there. So 80 take away 25, that would be, this will imply that this expression becomes y plus 5 over 2 all squared. Now plus, and of course if you take away 25 plus from 80, you're going to get 55 over 4, positive 1. Now this is the vertex form. Let's try another example. If you've not subscribed, please do click the subscription button and hit on the notification bell to enjoy my videos.